Hello. If you want a high potential way to make money online without having to spend a lot of money, affiliate marketing could be for you. I'm Susan Ritchie, and I help people make money online. Today I'm talking about affiliate marketing. What is it? What the heck is it? I'm also going to explain the concept of a sales funnel, which a lot of people want to know about it. So let's get started. So what is affiliate marketing? This is a question I couldn't have asked 1 year ago because I had never heard of it. But I did hear about it by the end of January last year, and it's been an incredible year for me. So, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually very simple, and it took me a long time to realize how simple it is. It is just getting paid for promoting a product that you don't own. That's all it is. You don't have responsibility for most parts of the life cycle of a product. For example, the idea of it, the creation of it, manufacturing or coding of it, inventory and storage, upgrading, updating, the sales process itself, shipping, and maybe most importantly, customer service. You don't have to deal with customers around the product. So there are a lot of really great things about affiliate marketing that you don't have to do, as well as the other wonderful things about it. For example, the opportunity to make really good money so that you have financial freedom, and also, really importantly for many people, including me, is time freedom. I got into affiliate marketing to make more money for my retirement after my divorce, and it's because I just didn't have enough anymore for the kind of retirement I've always envisioned, which includes a lot of travel and time with my kids and eventually grandkids, time with friends, going to play, so we all have our own dreams, doing a lot of volunteer work, maybe overseas. We all have our own dreams for our lives and for retirement. Those were some of mine, and that's why when I first heard about affiliate marketing from someone on TikTok who was then like I am now, it just struck me as a marvelous way that I could fund my retirement, and it's turned out to be so much more than that. All right, so I want to talk about promotion. So if affiliate marketing is simply promoting a product that I don't own, then what does it mean to promote a product in this way? So when you're promoting a product online, the job, at least in affiliate marketing, your job is it's a starting point, is to attract the attention of people who don't know you. That's the first part of it. I do it primarily on TikTok and starting on YouTube, Instagram, and there are other ways as well. Pinterest. I'm not doing Pinterest yet, but that's also apparently a really good way to do it. So this graphic to the right is an image of what's called a sales funnel. And a sales funnel merely shows that you need to attract a lot of people up here, the circled part, who don't know you, into your funnel that takes you through the process of awareness to desire and action. That's the funnel, and so I'll go through this and the fact is a funnel is because you have to have a lot of people at the top to get a few or quite a few people out the bottom. So that's the idea of the funnel. So gosh, sorry about that. So promoting part one is attracting attention of people who don't know you, so they become aware of you. So that's the first named line on this funnel. Second part of promotion is get them interested in what you're promoting. So that's called interest on this funnel. So you do that in a lot of ways. You can do it by, I'll talk about the simplest way, which is talking about the product itself. So for example, if this was my product, which it's not, but it is something that I love. And if I wanted to do products like this, I might look into it. This is an insulated mug. I usually use it for coffee. I have used it for wine, but it works really well. It's from a company called Manna. So if I was interested in promoting inexpensive things like this, I would go to Manna's website, see if they have an affiliate program. So if people like me can promote their products. The reason companies will do this is because then they can spend less on marketing their own products and having their own people doing promotions and advertising. So I could go to Manna and see if they have a program, and if they do, sign up for it, and then I could start promoting the wonders of this insulated mug on TikTok or on my Instagram page, on YouTube and Pinterest if I was doing it, other places as well, Facebook ads, lots of places online that you can promote a product. So I might promote it in a way talking about how much I truly love this, where I've used it, like in a hot tub, or more usually at my desk for hours every day, and it keeps my coffee very hot. So I could promote it that way, and maybe more interesting ways, so that people who became aware of it through me now want it. They have desire for it. So that's the next part of the of this funnel. Then part 3, once they want this marvelous insulated mug, you give them a way to buy it as an affiliate marketer. So if you came to me through TikTok, most of my videos, maybe too many, have a line at the end and on the video itself saying link in bio. So that's the way I have given to take action on my product for people. Yeah, and I just want to say, if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing even more in depth, drop a heck yes, and I will give you other ways. Now, let's see. So we're talking about taking action. So link in bio, but there are other ways. If you are on well, Instagram is kind of, well, you can also say DM me for information, provide it there. You can have your own website. You can have a blog. Lots of ways to give people with a link to a product. Or I'm going very simple today, so I'm just going to say a link to a product for that. But it can be more complex than that. Not very complex, but a little bit more. But this is I'm trying to give you an idea of the concepts here. Yeah, so you give them a way to purchase it, and then after that, your job is done as an affiliate marketer. So people have decided, they've become aware of me and my insulated mug that I am promoting. They thought the way I used it were really great, would work for them, and so they desired it, and then they saw that they could take action by clicking the link in my bio or whatever way I gave them to do it. And after that, they go out of my funnel down to the sales process at the bottom. That's that purple part. And then it's up to whoever owns the mug, so Manna, or if I was doing this through Amazon, which you could for many products, it would be up to Manna or Amazon or whoever to actually handle the sales part. So do the final part of the sales process, have, what do you call it, like a way to pay, have a way to pay, and then send it to me. And if I was dissatisfied with the mug, or if I didn't get it fast enough, whatever, the company or Amazon, whoever, would have to deal with me as the customer. So the other me as the affiliate marketer doesn't have to deal with that at all. If my people don't get the mug, or they don't get they don't like it, whatever, they have to deal with the owner, not with me. So yeah, so that's a really good thing. And when somebody buys my insulated, or Manna's insulated mug, the Manna, the company, pays me a commission. So I get whatever, $1 for some amount, which is agreed in advance, for promoting one mug that gets eventually sold to a customer. So And just a small point on that, there are kind of two kinds of affiliate marketing: low ticket, so this would be low ticket, inexpensive items, and high ticket. I actually do high ticket affiliate marketing, and I will talk about that in a future video, but where the commission on something like this could be cents, could be $1, a few dollars, whatever, $100. What I do is commissions that are more like $1,000 or high hundreds of dollars. So that's high ticket, and I prefer to do that. But we'll talk more about that in a future video. Now, if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube, hit that subscribe button for more content on how to make money online. So yeah. So that, I think, is everything I had to say about this for today. So watch for more videos about making money online. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. So use the various channels to provide them to me. If you're watching live, drop a hashtag live. If you're watching on replay, hashtag replay. And we will chat soon. Bye-bye.